Hi guys, first process you need to do is to check that your laptop is connected with the power or not. If it is connected, then you simply need to click on the power on button. Sometimes it is your issue due to your battery. If that is not, you simply need to click on the Windows button and B and the power button together. So you simply need to click on these three buttons together. So you can simply open BIOS settings. So you simply need to press these buttons together, and once you're done, you have the BIOS setting on your screen. Sometime it took some time to display, but it will definitely appear. Sometime it is broken. If it is broken, you simply need to hit on the enter button, and then you simply need to click on the power button again. So let me show you. First, now we are on the screen and I click the three button, and now my laptop took some time to start. And here you can see it shows me BIOS setting, but it is showing me that recovery file is corrupted. So I simply need to hit the power button again. So let me hit that button again. So once I hit that button again and wait so that next screen will appear. So here you can see that my laptop is now turning on without any issue. Thank you. Have a good day.